Need to find documentaries on Netflix mobile? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily find documentaries on Netflix. So the very first thing you want to do is move into your application Netflix. In this page, choose your specific account and then log in. Once you have been logged in into your account, click on Categories at the top right corner of the screen. You'll see tons of different categories. As we're looking for documentaries, simply head over to Documentaries right over here. It will land you on this page. If you scroll down, you will see all of the documentaries. From here, you can move into any of the documentary and then watch it. So this is simply how you can find documentaries on Netflix. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.